Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the Xsense outdoor Wi-Fi spotlight camera, model S21. And what's different about this camera from Xsense is that it has two LED lights. So motion detect, it will turn on and illuminate whatever subject's coming up your driveway or wherever you have this installed. This is wireless transmitting for the video, but it has wired power. So it comes with an entire kit. Here's the wired power adapter, some of the pieces that you'll need for install, and even some screws and such right there. So we like that it does that. One of the key features of this obviously are the two LED lights. A lot of these cameras out of the box do not come with lights, so that's great. And then this one that's different, it's 2K video. It has 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So what most of the other cameras have is only 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. This has 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. It has infrared night vision, motion activated spotlights that you saw that I mentioned already, and compatible with AI assistant. So your Google Smart Assistant or your Amazon Alexa Assistant. It is IP66 dust proof and water resistant. And you can get this from Xsense. It's available now, and this is the S21 model. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.